Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's doing well and having a wonderful day. I want to share an opportunity with you that is transpiring right now. So before we jump in, of course, anything I share with you is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not take this as live financial or trading advice, but this trade is setting up at the moment and I want you to see it as it unfolds and then we will recap on it as it transpires. So this is on the XLK. What is the XLK? It is the Technology Sector Spider ETF for the S&P. This literally just triggered a long entry. Now this is built on a daily time frame, which is confirmed on a weekly and a monthly. You can see we are making all-time new highs. So with that being said, a little longhand technical analysis needs to be done in order to know where our next target is. So we're triggered long at 144.77. Ideally, I'd like to get long at or below that number. If there's a little retracement this upcoming week, it'd be nice to enter at or below that number. So charting this out on a long-term chart, meaning a monthly chart, we could have the upside potential for this to go from 141.77 all the way up to 161. That's about a 13% return on investment if this does what we suspect it will do. Now, that's not a terrible return by any means, but there's another way to take advantage of this with much less capital laid up in a leveraged option style position. Now, $142 stock is relatively expensive for most people. You're not going to be able to buy a whole ton of it, so why don't we look to the options market for something that is a little more appealing? So if I was issuing a trade alert on it, it would look something like this. The XLK, the Spider Trust Tech ETF, long at 141.77 with the target at 161. My entry stop would be placed at 132.37. And the strike price and option contract I would be buying would be the January 21 of 2022, 160 strike. That is the option ticker below the .XLK220121C160. That's a call option. You can buy this today at approximately $4.15. Now, what do I suspect is going to happen to this option if we get the 13% move we're looking for in the price of the actual stock itself, or ETF for that matter? This should double easily, maybe a little more than that. So when we were looking for 13% move in the stock, we could get close to or a little better than 100% return, meaning a double of our money in the option if we give it the chance to breathe and let it do what we expect it to do. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from our own actions. Guys, this stems back to something I talk about day in and day out with you. Life is full of choices. Those choices will yield you rewards or consequences, but it really comes down to the actions you decide to take. Now, if you are prepared to take action, if you're prepared to be in control of your life, your future, your finances, your legacy, that is something that comes from within, and that those actions, as they're taken, you will build exactly what it is that is meant to be for you. Nobody else can do it for you. It is a personal choice, and you have to just be willing to step outside the box and do what needs to be done to achieve what you wish to achieve. So guys, if you want to get set up here with us at Hawkeye Traders and learn how to identify the stock pick that I just gave you for free, this is something that is normally part of a high-end paid service to give you what I just gave you. And you can do this for yourself very easily by just having our tools and a little basic knowledge, creating a trade plan and following it. There's a link directly below this video. If you click on it, you will see the training webinar. It's called Project vSwarm. In this webinar, I will show you example after example of just how we leverage our volume-based indicators into potentially profitable trades. We suspect the trade that we just shared with you has a high probability of being successful. Now, like I said, it's not a trade recommendation by any means. It is certainly, we are not licensed financial advisors, but I just want to show you, and you can feel free to track this on your own. Keep an eye on the XLK. keep an eye on that option, that particular option, and you can see the potential of the return that could have been had from this particular trade. So guys, with that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying well. Feel free to visit us anytime at our website or reach out to us via email or phone call. We are here to help you make the best decision that works well for you. With that, again, have a great day, a blessed day, a profitable day, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.